Hello, welcome back. This is Lorrie. If you haven't been here before, my name is Lorrie, and welcome back to my channel. I really do love to see you here. And today I'm going to share you more about my ongoing organization saga. Now, before I start with today's organization skills, I have to tell you that my office is not looking up to snuff. My desk is already an awful mess and it's got stuff piled all over it. But I have gone through the stuff in there, and the things that are out now are things that I need to deal with and put away, or they're things that I use every single day. So if I'm going to be using something every single day, it seems silly to put it somewhere other than on my desk. So I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I have moved on into the bedroom, and in here I mostly have left. I did the closet when I moved the file cabinet out of here, because if you remember, going way back when, this used to be my office and craft room, and Dave and I shared the bedroom that is now my office and craft room. But after he decided that I'd beat him up one too many times for snoring and keeping me awake, and he decided that we should not actually try to sleep together anymore. So, we don't. It actually works out really nicely. We both sleep a lot better, and when we have the time, we enjoy each other's company a lot more. So yeah, it works for us. And back to the organizing. So I did look up actually the name Marie Kondo, and it's called the KonMarie system is what she uses. And she's the one who tells you to go through everything and only keep it if it brings you joy. If it doesn't bring you joy, then you need to get rid of it. And I do agree with that in a lot of ways, although I also recognize that there are some things that are essential, like pots and pans. My pots and pans, now that I have that new set, are bringing me more joy, definitely. But yeah, you can't always replace your pots and pans willy-nilly just because the ones that you currently have don't bring you joy, right? So there is that. So there is the practicality of life that you have to take into consideration. But I am trying to follow that as far as going through stuff and getting rid of it. And yeah, so today I am in my bedroom and I'll be hauling out all my clothes. Now, the other thing that I hadn't done in the last room, I kind of worked in quadrants when I was doing the office / craft room. But this time, she actually recommends that you do it all at once. Now, I'm not going to try and rip this whole room apart and put it back together in one day, because I know that that is not going to happen. But I am going to rip this dresser apart. Well, I mean, not literally, but I'm going to pull everything out of this dresser and give it a good wipe on the inside, and then start going things and find out what brings me joy. So my heap, and then I'll show you if I find anything interesting in here. I don't know that I will. I might in the other dresser. Some of those drawers in there haven't been emptied for a long time, and they have things other than clothes in there as well. So yeah, that'll be interesting. Anyway, I'm going to get to it. Thanks so much for being here. I am really happy to see you and to have you. I'll be babbling to you probably every once in a while as I'm going through stuff, but you won't really hear it or see it. I mean, I can leave this set up and I might, but yeah, I'm probably not going to do that. But I will give you just a look around and a look in some of the drawers just as a starting place, and then I'll let you have a look at it again during the process and another look when we're done. So let's go there. So this is my main dresser, and like there's literally stuff floating out of these drawers, and some of it I know I haven't worn and will never wear again. Anyway, so that's where I'm going to start. Here's just a quick look at the whole room right now as it is. And you can see there's that picture right there. That was painted for me, especially by Deb over at D&D Art Gallery. And I will leave a link down to her website down in the description there. But isn't that beautiful? Here, my shoe closet is actually looking pretty good. I've started going in here. I've got my shoes and my boots and stuff. But, that's what I just did. I just stepped in that, and I told myself earlier, move that, Lorrie, or you're gonna step in it, and sure as heck. Tell myself or what? I knew I was gonna do that. All right, I'm gonna start pulling stuff. Well, I'm gonna get something to clean this up, and then I'm gonna get something to lay down on the floor to put all these clothes on, and I'm gonna start pulling stuff out of that dresser. So I'll be back and show you how big my pile is. Well, there is my pile. It's about a foot, maybe a little more than a foot, maybe 18 inches. High, and about, I don't know, a couple of feet wide. But yeah, now it's time to go through everything. The dresser has been emptied and cleaned. Oh, we're making progress. This this dresser has been organized and everything fits now, and there's room for everything in there now. And this one over here still has several, like I've emptied everything out of here, and I've got several empty spots and spaces and empty drawers. And I've got this. And I have to be really careful where I step because of what I might step on. But I have to put this on hold because I need to go and make some dinner. So I'll turn off the light here and I'll be back. And there you have it. I do still have stuff hanging in the closet, but everything off the floor now has found a home, except for Tabby. I do have some empty and almost empty drawers. This needs to be moved down to the bottom drawer, so this is essentially empty. The other two have some stuff in it, but they're almost empty. This here hasn't changed much, although I did put my painting clothes up on the top there. I did keep some painting clothes, but I got rid of an awful lot too. And now that drawer, there's not much, or that dresser, there's not really much room in there anymore, but everything's nicely organized. You know, I can see my shirts that have stuff on them and my shirts that don't have stuff on them, and you know, everything. My pants are all the same, pretty much. All my jammies fit now in the bottom drawer here. It's not pulling the other one out. I have a couple of things here.
Are you showing them all your underwears?
No, I'm not showing, no Mom, I'm not showing them my underwears. I have a couple of shirts here that I'm gonna give away when I hit my 1,300 subscribers.
Oh, you shirts?
They're Shed Wars shirts. I know there are people who would want them. This is an original Shed Wars shirt. Original color and everything. And then I have one more shirt. This one I need to sew. It's got a hole in the armpit. So I need to sew that. And then I have this red and white t-shirt that says Canada on it. But it's a boy style, and so I need to watch some videos on if I can modify that. Tabby is butting up against my hand so that I can't do that. But anyway, so I've gone through these drawers and I've gotten rid of stuff. And yeah, I didn't take much actually out to the yard sale boxes.
Your room is feeling so clean I can hardly stand it. Beautiful.
Look at that. I even climbed up on my bed and cleaned that shelf off up there. It's been a long time since that sucker has been cleaned. It was very dusty. This is the dustiest thing in the room. I dust other things, but I don't ever remember. Tabby's bumping up against me, guys.
She wants to be on too.
No, see, she hides when I turn the camera on her. She is so spoiled. Yes, kitty. Mama loves you. Are you stuck in a holding pattern, Mom? Emo's stuck, honey. She can't turn around right there. Too many ridges.
What do you want to do?
Leave her.
What are you doing?
I'm going to turn around and go back to my bedroom.
No, you're going to walk a little further first, aren't you?
What you do is you go like this. All right? No, don't do that. Step over here. Now pull it this way.
Now I can go.
Ta-da!
Da, 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 da.
Her first driving lesson.
First driving lesson.
And I flunked.
And she flunked.
They are just too precious, aren't they? Anyway, that's it. Organizing done. Room 2. Let's hope I can keep it like that. And like I said, I'm going to have a giveaway. 1,300 subscribers. I think I'm like 8 away from that. So share me out. And once I hit that number and it sticks, I will have a giveaway. I'm not sure what kind of a giveaway I'm going to have yet, but I'm going to do it. So, and those shirts, those Shed Wars shirts are going to be just one of the, or 2 of the things that I give away. They won't be the only things. There'll be other things. So, anyway, maybe Tabby will be one of them. Anybody want a noisy cat? Anyway, I better go. She's getting mad. Take good care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye now.